What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are doing a get ready with me, and we are focusing on hair and makeup. But first, I wanted to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump into hair.
personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is one in a million.
Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. All summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
So now that my hair and makeup is done up, let's go ahead and get into the details on this unit. The unit I'm rocking in today's video is a 5x5 closure unit. It also is in the loose wave pattern with layered curls. This unit also features HD lace and a middle part. If this is not your first video, you guys already know how much I love Luvme hair. From the quality of their hair to the quality of their lace, they do it for me literally every single time. This unit is exceptional and one of my top 5 units that I've worn from Luvme hair, girl. It's the bust down jet black 1B natural hair color for me, girl. Like, this is super cute. I love that this unit features a bust down middle part. It's been a minute since I've worn a middle part. You guys know I am a side part kind of girl, but I don't know what it is, but I am feeling this middle part. I really think it's the layers. I really enjoy how convenient and super easy this unit was to install, especially if you are a girl like me, honey, and are not a professional when it comes to cutting layers in hair. I love that this unit already came layered. I didn't have to cut it or anything, and I also feel like layers just kind of help the hair frame the face a lot better, and it also helps the curls to last a lot longer, which you all know we love, cause who curling hair every day? I really also love that this unit pretty much came pre-curled, so I didn't really have to put any curls in the hair. I did just go ahead and add a few more curls, just because sometimes with packaging and shipping, sometimes the curls can get kind of wonky. There is literally not one flaw on this unit, you guys. There was no flyaways with this hair. This hair is super smooth, super shiny, super silky. So I did go ahead and just curl the front part. Aside from that, I plucked the lace just a little bit, added a little bit of concealer. I laid the baby hairs, and pretty much that was it. This is once again another easy, ready to go unit from Luvme hair, you guys. 10-minute install. It did not take long at all, and I also do love that the layers are a little bit longer. This unit is also in 20 inches, which is literally my favorite inch of hair, especially when it comes to a body wave, loose wave texture. This unit is literally the perfect fit and perfect size for my head. I have a small head, you guys, so sometimes I run into problems where units are a bit big on me or a bit bulgy, but this one literally is sitting like it's nice, it's smooth, it's flat. I didn't have any issues with the capsizing. Immediately unboxing this unit, I noticed how thin and transparent the lace was, which I love. Because of the quality of this lace, this particular unit did not need any lace tint, any lace spray. I literally applied a little concealer in the parting area, and that was it. This hair is just gorgeous, you guys. If you see me doing this 1,000 times, just mind your business, honey, because this hair is super, super pretty. I love it. It's the layers for me. It is the layers for me. Like, I love the way this middle part frames my face. I have never had a middle part look this good on me. For more information on this unit, I will be sure to link the Luvme Hair's website along with the direct link to this unit and a coupon code for you guys, of course, in my description bar below, so you guys can have this unit too, because you need it in your hair collection, period. Once again, thanks so much to Luvme Hair for sponsoring yet another video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button on your way out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.